And just 2 weeks after surgery, she can walk without very secure support. My standard is obtain the image data, image model from the image equipment such as CT, MRI, and ultrasound. Then we add a texture map for visualization, and we need to transfer here to there, and Turkey, and the European country, and United States with data management. And finally, we can obtain simulation material and printing material from this result. What we need to standard? We need to obtain personalized medical design, not same as anatomy. We need to following the personal something based the data. And also patient require the specific physiologic mechanism. And additionally, we need to far from toxicity when we apply such an internal implant. This is the example. We have a lot of lattice structure by the 3D printing. Then which the lattice structure is good for patient application. We found that type B is most secure, but it is too heavy. So we applied type D or type C following patient the bone condition. And how can we build a structure? We need to calibrate proper medical modeling, and we need to volumetric the file format rather than surface file format system. And finally, we can apply the personalized medical product. This is my final slide. When we melt together with technology and safety issue into our standard, then medical 3D market will open. Thank you.
Are there any questions from our audience? Did you enjoy the movie? I just wanted to say too that when Christoph was giving a talk, he was talking about regulatory and all that stuff. But I wanted to mention that there's 5 standards that is under this 333 3.2. And there's the first one, which is on medical modeling for therapeutic and diagnostic applications. I just wanted to let you know that this has been approved as an FDA recognized standard. So this is how we're headed to. So standardization is not just to make standards, but there's also reason why it's important. One of the things is for regulatory purposes. So I just wondered, is there anybody here from industry at all? No?
The only one.
Oh, you're the only one. See, that's also the other thing why we're doing this sort of panel and trying to bring more awareness in development of standards, because I think you really need industry to participate. Standards don't get created just because everybody says, yeah, we need standards, but they don't get created unless you guys participate. And as you can see, the set of folks that we have here, speakers, all the different speakers are coming from different disciplines, medical physician, clinician, academia, the actual user, and other stakeholders. So what we're presenting here too are actually standards under development under the engineering medicine biology under IEEE, and realize that it's an open participation. You can participate at different levels. You don't have to be a part of the working group, but you can continue to be interested and see what's going on. And there's also opportunity for balloting, things like that, which maybe at this point I just wanted to say before I forget is that this afternoon we have 2 meetings, and they're not in the program because they are actually working meetings. One is going to be on the cuffless wearable blood pressure, and I just kind of that's a working group, and so the developments and where we're going forward in that. And the way I mentioned that is because also the 11073 group, we're going to be having some collaboration in that regard. So if you're interested, that's going to be, both of these are in Pastoral 3. And that the work group meeting starts at 1 o'clock to 2:30. And then the second one is actually the Standards Committee, which is the committee that oversees the technical oversight for our working group, to make sure we have the standardization process is open, balanced, it's in the consensus and all that stuff. So I just wanted to mention that. So if you have time and it's an open thing, please participate. You'll learn a little bit how to participate and what we're doing. Thank you. Our next speaker, let's see, who's the next speaker? I think we are now on the complex blood pressure monitor. We'll do that first. So we want to cover all the standards. Because the last one is going to be on education. So it's here. Can you bring up her stuff? So the last one, I don't know what's in the schedule. It's kind of changed. But we had wearable mice aspects for the standard for complex blood pressure monitoring device. Unfortunately, our working group chair unable to make it. He is from Hong Kong and some issues, and so Chiron, I'm sorry I'm saying your name right. Chiron Dave is a student, was a student of Dr.